About $6,000 less than a Toyota RAV4 Lynx. Or to put it another way,
So, Grandpa,
a whole year's worth of groceries.
what have you got to say about today's weather?
It's money well saved.
What?
What do you have to say about today's weather? You like it then?
Yeah.
It's almost summertime.
Don't try to stop me.
We only got a couple months left until summer.
Speed Racer is a total adrenaline rush. Psychedelic. And beyond incredible. It's the coolest thing I've seen.
It's a lot of mail for Sunday.
Racer.
Today is Sunday.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
He went to Jared. Jared has 5 times the selection.
Nope.
Very jewelry stores. Only gold is treasured.
It's for you.
Do you have brothers?
Jared, the Galleria of Jewelry.
It's time to invite style outside. It's time to milk this summer for all it's worth. Because only the Home Depot is unveiling the first outdoor collection.
A letter
of
from his
Thomasville
jailbird.
furniture, bringing Thomasville style and Home Depot value to your backyard. It's time to be the coolest house.